Buenos dias. We're on the way to Las Canteras, which is Spanish for quarries, in a mountainous region of Spain to put the finishing touches on a new product that we're very excited about. We've got the team with us, Ben, Aaron and Pete, and we can't wait to show you what we've been working on. I've got two pieces of unprocessed marble in my hands here that come from Las Canteras that you can see in the distance. This marble is quarried and sent to local factories to be used for floor tiles and worktops. The offcuts of that come to this factory and are processed into marble bound. Explicarme un poco de la historia de su compañía.
Claro, somos una empresa familiar, somos 5 hermanos y nuestro padre ya trabajaba con las piedras desde siempre. Y pues últimamente hemos visto que la piedra para mezcla con resinas es un buen mercado y como tratamos de buscar siempre las cosas que mejor puedan introducirse en toda Europa, pues nos hemos puesto a trabajar con esto.
We came here to source a range of genuine marble stones that can be used in resin-bound surfacing. With our partners in Spain, we source offcuts of marble that are crushed, washed and dried and sent to us in the market town of Beverley.